In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on your Buick Encore. It's located under the hood. To remove the battery, you're going to disconnect your negative battery terminal first using a 10mm socket and remove that terminal. Now we're going to remove our positive using a 10mm socket. After you loosen that, you can move it to the side. And now we're going to take off our hold down. To do that, we're going to use a 13mm socket and take out this bolt. Remove your bolt, and to remove your hold down, you're going to pick it up and take it out so it hooks into this. This battery has a handle, so I'm going to use it. Push it forward away from this terminal and then pick it straight up. To install your battery, you're going to place it down inside the holder, slide it back, install your positive terminal, and go ahead and tighten that one down. Make sure it doesn't move. Now we're going to put our hold down on. To do that, we are going to hook that in. Once you have your hold down in place and it's engaged on the lip of the battery, you're going to start your bolt. And you can tighten that down. Make sure it's snug. Now we can put our negative terminal back on. Make sure it's pushed in all the way and tighten it up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.